7 and 10. So what we're going to ask is try to keep it to 1 to 2 minutes. Come up, say what you're trying to solve, the kinds of folks that you're looking for, and then give a general sense of where you'll be in the room right afterwards if people want to come up to you. So let's start with this side of the room. Do you want to start? And introduce yourself, please, as well. Great.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sonia. I'm the founder of an edtech startup called Atlantica. And therefore, clearly, I want to work in education. So I'm looking for people that are A, passionate about education, and B, amazing developers to work on an application or a web platform, wherever you prefer. We can talk about it. Specifically, trying to change education collaboration and work on what's called blended learning. For those who are not so familiar with education, it will be the collaboration inside and outside the classroom. So I'll be back there and happy to tell you more details about my idea. Thanks.
Okay. I've been told to remind people for this mic to work, it's not just projecting in this room. People can actually hear you in Bangalore. So, but to do that, you have to really speak into the mic. You have to hold it really right in front of your face. Hopefully, I've been doing a good job of that. Okay, next from this side of the room. I'm here. Okay, you guys right here.
I am Rocky Leslie Smith. And I am creating a better way to complain to your boss. I mean, obviously, lovely solution there for when communication goes well, but I figured you should have a good tool when things don't go so well. So if you, I'm looking specifically for somebody who's familiar with Node.js, I'll be over there. Talk to me if you're interested. Thanks.
Right. Thank you. You got some early issues with the judge. Okay, great. Right here.
Hi, I'm Sean, working with Christoph here. I want to do a location-based chatting application for like impromptu groups, sort of like this. So probably going to focus on education. You're in a library, you want to find a study group, but you don't want to send one of those annoying emails out to the whole class. So basically here, we'll probably be either right here or
here. It's right there. Excellent, thank you. Next, I think, do we have anyone else back here? No, you guys are all set? Okay, right here.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you for all our organizers for this kind of event. It's marvelous. We're Skolkovo students from Moscow, from Russia, from Skolkovo Moscow School of Management. We have an idea about the collaboration platform for the healthcare, which will help the system, the doctors work more efficient, help patients to receive better care for themselves and for cheaper prices. Basically, we need front-end engineers and back-end engineers. And so, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, great. Right here.
Hi. One of the biggest problems that we're trying to solve is engagement, especially with online education and blended learning, where people are watching a video lecture or even watching a class and are having trouble staying engaged, taking notes, and things like that. We want to bring collaboration to that process by letting people take notes and study collaboratively with that educational experience together. So we are a team of front-end, back-end developers and designers, but if you're interested in helping us out, especially if you have experience with this particular video engine, or if you're just excited about the idea, you're welcome to come talk to us. We'd love to chat. Awesome, thanks.
Great. Excellent. Is he having up? No. Yeah, great.
Hi everybody, my name is Victor Jiang. I'm one of the resident entrepreneurs, just based downstairs actually. I'm a career consultant and I'm interested in helping consulting teams or project teams to collaborate better across different geographies. In particular, my startup is to do with a platform to provide ratings, availability, and credentials of consultants, including the past client credentials. But I'd like to add a collaborative and mobile element to that, hopefully through this hackathon, by bringing location sensitivity like Friend Finder, plus Bizavo, which is like a location sensitive social discovery tool, plus collaborative capabilities like whiteboarding functionality on your mobile. And so the application of that is, imagine you have a project team across different geographies, such as this hackathon. Wouldn't it be great to know who has what great skills, who has what availability, where they're physically located, and what availability do they have? All on a simple mobile dashboard. That's what I'm looking for. So looking for help from front-end designers and back-end developers. Thank you.
Excellent. Excellent. Oh, got anyone here? Strapped.
I'm Brian Darby. I'm a security guy, and I'm the treasurer for the Libertarian Party of California. And the experience from that is what led me to this particular idea, which is you can have a Google Hangout, you can do Skype video, you can do a lot of group-type video systems, but none of those allow you to add business rules which govern the interaction between the folks in the meeting. In the Libertarian Party, we have meetings in which we have to go strictly by Robert's Rules of Order, but in the video system, it's like, get my attention here, and can I do this now? And the idea is to formally introduce a way to add business rules to the interaction in a group video meeting. All right, and so I can use everybody. I'm a little. Thanks.
All right. Thank you. We have back there. We appreciate everyone who gets up and shares an idea. It's not easy to kind of get up and in front of the group and really share a thought, and we really appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. So I'm a software developer, and as like most software developers here, you would know that we get a lot of interviews, like a lot of coding interviews, and it's like a big hassle to have like a phone in one hand and then type in one screen, and like it's a big mess when you're giving phone screens. So I want to develop a tool or an application which is completely browser based, and you can share video, and it will be a code editor as well, so that the person is able to share the screen, so like nobody's cheating here. And also the business model is simple, like everybody needs to hire engineers here, and so we can easily charge Facebook, Google, or anybody who wants to use our service. So that's the idea. Thank you. I'm looking for other developers or like-minded people.
Excellent, excellent. Anyone else? I thought maybe one more hand around here, or everyone's good. Okay, so bear with us now for a moment. I'm going to look to my colleague Andrian. Looks like we have some folks in Bangalore that are ready. And what we will ask is for them to get up and similarly talk for a couple minutes. Now they've actually already been coding for a while, so they've been hard at work. They may be a little sleep deprived. We shall see shortly. And we'll ask them to share a little bit what they're doing, and if they're looking for someone to collaborate with, to talk about that. Good, good luck.
Hello? Hi, can you hear me in Redmond City?
Yep.
Excellent, good. So, you're all here in Bangalore hacking away and guys are building amazing apps. We're going to try and bring out this team and let them just talk about what they've built so far. And let me start with your team. Rasool from Frozen Ice. Hello everyone in Bangalore and SF. We are the Frozen Ice and we are a great team of developers, designer and marketing brand managers from Yahoo, Amazon, SAP and TATA. So what we are doing is we are using the design thinking process to build the most intuitive and flexible enterprise communication experience ever. And just to talk about what we are going to do is imagine conference calls from where nobody has to think about which device to carry, what software to install. So they will get into the conference call using their RPC, but then they don't have to worry about drafting the minutes of the meeting or making sure what's the action item for them or what's the action item for others. They will be covered real time and give it to you at the end of the conference call. And also people who are off real time can then contribute to this later. So we are definitely looking for some real collaboration from Bangalore as well as especially San Francisco. So if anybody's interested, please dial the Frozen Ice team. Next we'll bring in Chris. Chris, you want to come over?
My project's name is Education. It basically works like you type in what you want to teach, like it gives a math, and it directly, and if someone else wants to learn math, they type in math and then it connects you with each other and then you can teach others. So basically music or different kinds of things like learn guitar, coding, different subjects in science and all that. That's the basic one.
Thanks, Chris.
Hello, sir. Other developers also with the other API services and also with the industry. So it's a collaboration tool for all the developers, investors, and the business service which business users.
Thanks, Pavan.
Hello everyone. So we've been hacking away all night straight without break. And so what we are trying to solve is a very basic problem of distributed development, where at any given point of time, a developer is using at least 2 or 3 tools to keep in sync with the remote team. What we want to do is bring all of those tools into one platform, code review, source code management, basically file sharing, messaging, everything into one platform. So it's more simple to develop software that way.
Thanks. We have Gaurav in web shop.
It might be helpful if the Bangalore teams can maybe say a number, like a team number. That way folks will, can you hear me okay? It might be helpful if the Bangalore team can say a team number, like we're team number 4, we're team number 5. It just help, I think, in terms of the teams here being able to remember who's who, and then to communicate who they want to work with.
Sure. So you want the number of the idea first?
Yeah, we can.
And sending over a list of all the ideas and team names across the San Francisco as well. So this is idea number 5, Gaurav with Get Web Shop.
So WebChalk is basically a very simple online application to connect students and teachers. So essentially, let's just say that I want private tuitions for some subject, and there is a teacher somewhere who can teach me that subject. So basically, WebChalk enables them to come together collaboratively, part application. So that's pretty much what happens.
Okay.
So the site is already up, getwebchalk.com.
Thanks, Gaurav. Can you have Venkat, idea number 6? Venkat is next.
Hi, I'm Venkat. Today is all next. It's all about, just imagine a situation wherein you're trying to address one of your customer's issues and you need to see his screenshot and what's the best way to do it. It should be an open-ended protocol. So we'll be providing a screen casting without any installation. All the thing that the customer got to do is just go to a URL and say hello. And using the web article, we are going to share it with the technical assistant on the other end to resolve the issue. Along with that, we are also providing a open-ended collaboration system where it's all about a URL and that unique URL, whoever has it can come and collaborate. Both video, they can share the screen, they can communicate. It's all about the single URL. Yeah. The second part I'll repeat. It's all about the open-ended URL. You just give a single URL, which is link one, and whoever has that URL can come over there and collaborate through video. All the collaboration things possible, and they can even share the screen as well. And the reason being, it's an open-ended protocol. There is no two or some here particularly, but whoever has it, they can collaborate very easily. No need of installation of any plugins. We're using webcotics for this purpose. Alongside that, and our business model is very simple. Wherein any websites who are providing customers support, they can actually use this particular open-ended thing to resolve the issues very easily. Thank you.
Then we have idea number 7. That's Krishna with the Polychrome Man.
In this modern age, businesses are going truly global. So the challenges that they face also vary, and they are pretty new. So what we are trying to build is, we are trying to build a suite of collaborative, suite of tools that allow businesses to have truly global tools. So you can have a portion of your team in India, another portion in you can have a portion. Yet another maybe our sort of tools are aimed at allowing your teams to collaborate in real time and develop products together so that you can be more productive and you can build rapidly and efficiently.
Okay, thanks.
My idea is export Showman's 360. That depends everything. The shopping website is targeted on. This shopping website is targeted for middle class people. That's it. And who want 100% off? 100% discount. Everyone offers 60% up to. Who offers 100% 100%. So that is all about. Showmax basically is all about 100% discount. That's it for many class companies. Yeah, we'll reveal on that. And it's pretty complicated. I have.
Last is number 9, idea number 9, that's it. I could even have an idea name. Unnamed is the product.
You're not making something. You're creating a platform to share knowledge. It is like we have seen YouTube, we have channels. Since like you click on like you be able to see all the name of like views. Here we are trying to have something of that channel, but here we say there's a channel named Market. And when you click on it, you will see list of people who are subscribed to it, and there will be two categories. One is like an expert, one is a beginner. And it's like expert is someone who is able to teach, and beginner is someone who is looking for knowledge to be transferred from the other person. So all what platform does is like we would help the expert guy. I mean, like for beginner, gets a request because he is the one who needs the help from the expert. So we would be able to talk to him or collaborate him over the tool. It's just like it's interacting on the browser. It's like you'll be able to chart right away, and it may sound same as a tutorial, but it's a platform which would help different people for like connect. Say there are saying that there's standard subject like science and social, there are teachers in the market who teach you. You can call them online tutorials. But what about astronomy or whatever? If at all there's an expert in it, so you'll be able to talk to other person who wants to learn the same platform. So our tool particularly solves the problem of sharing the knowledge among different groups. So it's entirely online. You make use of the API to collaborate them in real time. Thank you.
And last idea is idea number 10 here. We see subtitle. I think it's a very useful tool for some of the things that we are trying to do.
Good morning, my name is Niranjan, and our idea is called VC Subtitle. What we are trying to do is incorporate text message along with the audio message so that it will be helpful in certain situations where signals will be weak and you can't hear to the audio message appropriately. We're trying to use certain APIs provided by Google Voice search, so hopefully it will
Thanks. Any other idea? Okay, great. So that's 10 ideas that have been built at the moment, and a few other teams coming in later today. That's probably all from our side in Bangalore. I don't know if anyone had any questions. Oh, there.
Excellent. I think we're back here. Carl, should I stand here or right here? Excellent. So, can you see me in Bangalore? Well, I'll say thank you. I want to say thank you to the TATA technical team and the NEST technical team to pull that off. Very excited. So what we will do is we will get a list of those 10 teams. You sort of got the numbers at the end. You may not have gotten numbers for the first team. We'll get a list of those 10 teams, and we encourage you to use the collaboration tools. These are the collaboration tools that are listed in the Eventbrite, JMV, BStreet, Feasible. These are collaboration tools that you can then use to collaborate with the teams in Bangalore. Again, it's not just if you want to join one of their teams, but on those platforms as well, you can also talk more about the ideas that you're doing here and see if some folks from there want to join. And there's a significant prize, an 8K prize for the best U.S.-India collaboration. with that, I guess a couple other last announcements. Oh, I do want to invite the folks from V-Line, who, folks from V-Line, want to come and say something? Great. Do you want to come, you want to walk around, speak here, and then they can see you. Thank you very much.
Hi everybody. I'm Prakash, I'm from V-Line, and we are a WebRTC startup based in Palo Alto. We've been working on WebRTC for almost 2 years now. We started on it, like James was showing this video conferencing photo from 1960s or something. We have one on our wall from July or August 2011. That was pure WebRTC video conferencing. So we are funded by Kleiner and Harrison Meadow. So why we are here today is to hang around and help you guys with WebRTC questions. So if you have technical questions on WebRTC, you want to have an idea, and you want to know how to implement it, we can help you with that. We also have APIs and a platform which you can use. We have stunt servers, current servers running around the world, so you guys don't have to worry about all that. We also have a rich API, which is built on top of WebRTC, which you can use. We have like UI widgets, things like that. So if you want to make a call, you don't have to go like a call dialog, for example. You can just say, person got start call, and we automatically show a dialog, and we have the video panels for you to show. So we make it really easy for you to build WebRTC apps. So if you guys want to use the platform and concentrate on your business idea so that you can actually get this built by tomorrow, you want to use WebRTC, come talk to me. I'm around. I'll be wearing the WebRTC t-shirt, and Jesse is around too. So yeah, come talk to us, or you can send us an email to support@vline.com. We'll be monitoring that too. So one more thing I can say is we built an app called GitTogether.com. It's GIT together.com. It's like Skype, but on GitHub, and it's built with the V-Line platform. So we'll be there all the time. So if you have a GitHub login, you just log into GitTogether.com with a login. It's like Skype. You would see us hanging on there, so you can chat with us or call us there. So if you have any questions, both here in Bangalore regarding WebRTC, technical help, ideas, brainstorming, just come by and find us. Thanks.
Thank you. Very grateful. Carl, thank you for introducing us to the V-Line team and bringing them here. That's a tremendous resource, and we are very grateful. One last announcement. I see some of you have figured it out, but some of you who ordered sandwiches but weren't able to pick them up before you came in, they are in the back with their names on it. So there's a few more that I saw there. With that, is there anything that I've left out? Adrian? Anything? Amy, would I say something? Amy from TATA?
Sorry. Just so everybody knows.
Do you want to come use the mic?
We posted links to all of our sponsor APIs and other useful documents on the original Eventbrite invite, future of collaboration.eventbrite.com. So if you're looking for documentation and links, it's all there. Some of our sponsors have also helpfully donated discount codes or logins for you, and those are up on the video monitor in both locations. Thanks.
Excellent. Well, good. Well, with that, happy hacking. If you have any questions, find someone from the Nest team, someone from the TATA team, find myself, and we look forward to seeing these ideas as they evolve. We'll try to stop by as many rooms. One thing that's great about this space is there are lots of rooms, lots of nooks and crannies, people to take over and base out of. So we'll look forward to checking in on you. And remember, by 12 o'clock noon tomorrow, have to register your team. Please get on the collaboration tools and take advantage of the opportunity to communicate with the folks who are Bangalore. And we'll look forward to talking to you soon.
Thank you. like what they need is this effectively holding the class.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah, that's very interesting.
Yeah, I gotta make sure we get that printed out.
And I'm also is this the list in there for you?
No, that's to do with stuff.
Anyway, hey, I'm gonna take off.
All right,
this is
all right.
No, take your time.
No specific criteria.
Hey, good to see you. Anyway, I saw you actually very smart. I don't want How do I find it? Are you a big fan? Okay. You're a big fan as well. You're part of also Jamil. So what do you get to? They're really good. Don't worry. I was trying to find there. Oh, yes. Okay. It's kind of first. I posted. So that's it. Pretend you're Irish.
I think that's a Dan question. Are you going to do any? Are you going to interview any?
Yeah, exactly.
Well,
where are you going to be here?
Bля, пошли попробуем. So Carl, Carl got up?
He's going to interview the drunk for
Carl's this guy, the
take care of that.
facing that way. Yeah, he's the one who got up the perfect. And then M&S and it's M&S is like global video. But I